Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara and I am here to do an unboxing. It's still morning here and I'm still having my coffee, so excuse the slight grogginess, I guess I would say. So I've been waiting to order this deck for a while. Since I think I know there's another deck with the artwork by the same artist. I think it's called the Gentle Creatures Oracle or something like that. Yeah, and you're gonna have to excuse the fact that I'm living with my cat, Odie. Yeah, who knows when to make noise. Yeah, when it's least appropriate, but yeah, whatever. Okay, so as said, when I've seen that deck, I was immediately taken away or taken back, or how you say it, by the artwork. I don't know. I feel like it really speaks to my inner child for a reason. But then I kept like putting it off, and then I saw that the same artist, and I'm not, and I'm not saying that the other deck is not good or anything, because I don't know, I haven't tried it. But yeah, I've seen this deck come out, and I've seen that the author is Lucy Cavendish, who is like one of my top favorite Oracle deck creators. Okay, why do I have issues opening this? Come on. Come on. Wow, this plastic is next level. Like, let me just yeah. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so I was like, oh god, I need to check this deck out. And also just the topic of it and everything going on in the world, this deck seemed like a good fit, something that really resonates. So we will see. Hopefully it is so. So, Into the Lonely Woods, Blessings and Messages for Times of Solitude and Isolation. This is the back. Venture into the lonely woods and find the greatest gift of all, your true self. Come to the lonely woods when you feel isolated, distanced from loved ones, or wish to embrace quiet, peaceful spaces within a noisy, hurried world. Here you're welcomed with comfort, inspiration, and compassionate guidance. You'll come to know an enriching solitude where you can heal, grow, and journey through your inner wilderness in a beautiful encounter with your untamed, untrammeled self. So this deck consists of 45 cards and a 104-page guidebook. Yes. So let's see. Yeah, and for the longest time, this deck wasn't available on Amazon. Oh, look at this cozy, cute color. Either it wasn't available or on Amazon, or it wouldn't ship to Slovenia, where I'm living. And when I checked the book depository, the price was ridiculous. Okay. So here we go. This is the guidebook. Let's see. I love this design, and if I'm not mistaken, this design is on the back of the cards as well. Blessed be, lonesome traveler. You are a wise one, setting out now on the pilgrimage of the soul, traveling alone for a time, and when you come back to yourself, to those you love, and to those who love you, you will be transformed in enriching ways that create beauty and magic wherever you go, even amidst the greatest challenges. Go with grace and be well. I love this. I'm just gonna check this guidebook really quickly. Okay. Okay, so let's see the contents. So there's an introduction, welcome to the woods, how to work with your cards, and then it goes straight to the card meanings. I wonder if there are any card spreads. Okay, so this is all about how to work with the cards and welcome to the woods and all of that stuff. Okay, the discovery of your soul family, isolation as punishment. Ooh, okay. So this can go deep, I can see. Okay, solitary witches, how to work with your cards and all of that jazz. Choosing a spread. Okay, let's see. There's a little bit about the journaling, the cards, but I can't see any spreads, to be completely honest. Okay, cleansing the deck. Okay. Reversals. Okay. Okay. Layouts for you to... okay. So 1 card a day. The triple insight spread, the 3 cards. So this is the basic past, present, and future. Oh, okay. So it's the card 1 is the former self. Card 2 is you now, and card 3 is like the future of what may come. Okay. Oh, okay. So it lists a bit, a couple of more ideas about the 3 card spread, which is nice, and the traditional Celtic cross with Lucy's adaptation. Ooh, okay, so we do get a nice spread. It's called The Path, The Seeker's Journey Through Solitude. I like that. And there are 11 cards in this spread. So, okay, we'll see. We might even check this one out with on the actual tarot podcast. So then it goes into the card meanings. And there's like not a lot on each card, but I don't mind that, to be completely honest. I think these images are enough to... You can just sit with these images, to be completely honest, at least by what I saw so far. I need a sip of coffee. Okay. This paper is next level. Okay, standard big size of oracle decks or oracle cards. Let me check the publisher. What is this publisher? Is this Blue Angel? What is this? Yes, this is the standard Blue Angel size. So the card backs, as I told you, this beautiful plant. It almost looks, it reminds me of the Tura blossoms and the moth, and yes, I love it so much. Okay, let's go through the cards. And they're not math, they're matte cards, yeah. No borders. So I'm just gonna flip through them and not talk, okay? Unless I feel I need to point something out. And the cards are not sticking together at all so far. I love this. Aw. And there's a little dandelion seed. You can get the sense of the size of these creatures by, you know, seeing a stag next to it. But then again, there are these mushrooms, and I'm not sure if these mushrooms are just like so much closer to the viewer, or are the mushrooms just huge, or is this stag just super tiny? Ooh, I love this one. Beautiful. This is so cute. It seems like they're like holding like a blanket or something, and they're like I don't know how to say it in English. They're like whipping this little acorn dude up in the air. And I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a creature or like a toy they're playing with. I don't know, but it's cute. I don't know, this really speaks to my inner child. I love this. Death moves amongst us. Oh, this is like a perfect Samhain image. Look, with the pumpkin and the full moon and this like misty fog and the bats. Perfect. Oh, this is the flower. Wow. She's, or he's there, whatever. They're holding a paintbrush, it looks like. Again with the tiny digger. I love it. Oh, they lost something in the well. Gorgeous. Oh, look at the little baby. Oh, and that's it. I like it. I like it so far. We'll see how it goes when actually pulling cards from it and reading from the guidebook. And yeah, if you guys want to see a review of this deck after I've worked with it for a while, let me know down in the comments. And let me know if you have this deck and what do you think about it and how do you use it? What do you use it for? I'd love to know. Okay, so thank you for watching. Click that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.